Need more CPU or memory for your EC2 instance? You do not need to rebuild your server from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to safely resize your EC2 instance without rebuilding your server or losing any of your data. Let's get started. Here I have a Windows EC2 instance. If you look at the instance detail, you can see it's currently running on T2 micro instance. This instance type is a great choice for learning, testing, or running a small workload. However, as your application grows or your server starts feeling slow, you may need more CPU and memory. That's when resizing your EC2 instance becomes a great option. So before we can change the instance type, AWS requires that your EC2 instance to be stopped. So select your EC2 instance, click Instance State, choose Stop Instance, and then click Stop to confirm. Now we will wait until the instance has completely stopped. While we're waiting, here's something beginner often asks. Will stopping my EC2 instance delete my data? The answer is no. Your operating system, application, and files are stored on the attached EBS volume, so stopping the instance doesn't delete your data. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're using the automatically assigned public IP address, AWS may assign a new public IP when the instance starts again. If your applications or users rely on the same public IP address, you will want to use it in Elastic IP instead. If you're not familiar with the difference, I have a separate video that explains the public IPs and Elastic IPs in detail. You can check out using the card above or the link in the description. Alright, now that the instance has stopped, let's resize it. Select your EC2 instance. Click Actions. Go to Instance Setting. And then select the Change Instance Type. AWS now displays all the compatible instance type for your EC2 instance. I'm going to change mine from micro to small. So before making the change, notice that the AWS provide a comparison between your current instance type and the one you have selected. This comparison shows how the two instance types are different, including resources like CPU, memory, network performance, and other capabilities. So once you have selected the new instance type, you can go ahead and click Change Instance Type. And that's it. Your EC2 instance has now resized. So click Instance Type. Choose Start Instance. Now we will wait until the instance enters the running state. Now let's verify that everything is working as expected. Notice that the instance type now shows T3 small. So let's connect using remote desktop. So servers start normally, all of my applications are still installed, all of my files are still here. Nothing has been lost. Before resizing your EC2 instance, keep in mind that the larger instance type usually costs more than the smaller ones. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Cloud Launchpad for more beginner-friendly AWS tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.